Welcome back to the 5-Star Car Guy channel. Today we're going to talk about the 5 ways that you could still get approved for a vehicle even with bad credit. My name is Charles Lewis and I'm your car buying expert. I've been in the business for over 20 years. I've sat in all the different seats: salesperson, sales manager, and finance manager. I know all the tricks of the trade and I'm here to save you some money. Number 1, I say this ad nauseum, but join a credit union, for heaven's sakes. It only takes $5 to get a checking account at your local credit union. Credit unions typically look at their members in a more favorable light. They're not going to charge you 24% interest, and they're going to show you other ways to build your credit even outside of that car loan. Number 2, if you can't get approved at a credit union and you have to go to a B-lot, make sure the lending institution that they use reports to the credit bureau. The last thing you want to do is pay on a vehicle 3 to 5 years and not get credit for your payments that you're making on time. Number 3, money talks, bullshit walks. The more money you put down as a down payment on a vehicle, the higher the likelihood is going to get approved. Larger down payments help finance institutions mitigate their risk. So if you put down anywhere between like $3,000 to $5,000 on a vehicle, you are less likely to default on their loan by not making your payments and getting that car repossessed, because that would be like you just giving them $3,000 to $5,000 or $7,000. Number 4, make sure you have at least 90 days to 6 months on the job before you even apply. Anything less than that, you're not even going to be considered. They're going to want 3 years of job history, but even if that's choppy, if you have a good 90 days to 6 months, you will at least be considered. And number 5, this is uncomfortable for most. It is for me too. I don't like asking for help, and most people don't. But if you need help, try your best to get a cosigner. I know you don't like asking for help, but I'm telling you, it improves the likelihood dramatically that you get approved just by having a cosigner. And your cosigner does not have to have perfect credit. And as long as you don't put that cosigner on the title, they have no rights to that vehicle. You don't have to have them on the title. Cosigners don't have to be on the title. So, you might have a girlfriend or a boyfriend that you're dealing with. You don't know how long that relationship is going to last, but they're willing to help you out. Let them help you out. They have no rights to your vehicle. Don't put them on the title. You can go right into finance or put that finance manager side. Like, I don't want to title that in my name. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, here's another key to victory. And this is often overlooked. And I learned this a few years ago. I've gotten so many deals approved with grannies on a fixed income. I'm telling you, a mama or a granny with Social Security coupled with somebody with not so good credit but good job history is golden. Finance institutions go for that every single time. So if you don't have good credit but you got good job history and you got a mama or a granny on a fixed income that's willing to help you out, even if they only make $900 to $1,500 a month fixed income, that deal's getting approved. So again, if you like to work with me one-on-one, get yourself a car buyer's cheat code or have me negotiate your car deal for you, all you got to do is click on the link in the description. I hope this helped out. God bless.